Okay guys, so welcome to the unboxing of the Philips air fryer. It is so this is the air fryer, the Philips air fryer 5D92701. For those people it's overseas, 0 or local depending. So let's see, I'll show you guys what it looked like on around the thing, and then also I'll show you guys what box look like on the inside. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Also guys, if you do want to like and subscribe, hit the bell button so you guys know exactly when I posted a new video. And yeah, for those who are new to the channel, I do unboxings like this and play some games and just do some random story gaming and so on, but also do unboxings of items which is as good as this Philips and ones what's in the same line or even more better, and if it suffice. But yeah, if you guys also want to go above and beyond, there's a PayPal link what you guys can donate $5, $6, $10 for good items like this Philips and other items what you guys would like to see on the channel. But this is going to be the first air fryer what I do an unboxing of, so hopefully you guys enjoy. This is how it looks on the outside, and you guys will see the around the box. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy, and yeah. Okay, so you have seen how it looks from the outside with this plastic seal on it. For now, Thomas has to go. Can Thomas be? Thomas can be over here. So Thomas is over there, and for now, I'm gonna open up and see. So you guys saw it on the box and so on. See what they say on the box. Apparently, there's supposed to be a good one. So as you guys can see, there's this wrap on it, like some sort of cling wrap to it. And yeah, so I'm just gonna open it and see what they give. Again, this is just an unboxing, so you guys know what to expect when purchasing one. Maybe you buy it for yourself, or you buy it for your wife or your husband, and you would like to know what's inside or what to expect. So there's a couple of sealing happening, some sellotape, so you know what to expect. So I don't think the things should be super big though. There. Put that like that. So yeah, I haven't done an unboxing in a long time. So most of those items, what you're gonna see on the inside, I'll give you guys a view of it. So here is a booklet. Oh, it's probably just the manual of the thing. Nothing really interesting to read. There will be a second video what I will check. So there's a few books. Yeah, so there's a few books. Oh, okay. The warranty one. Then there's another which say the model, that HD9271. Maybe you'll get one that's different, and they show you certain things, and then they show like max. And yeah, there's a couple of more things what they put. And so that's the one booklet, and then they give you like one massive long user manual warranty thing, which I'm not gonna open exactly. I'm just gonna leave it one side. And then there's this like an egg type of recyclable paper, Todd. And then, as you guys will see, there's this. So there's the usual standard South African 3-pin plug. Obviously, if you're in the US or somewhere else, you will have the original one what comes for the certain country, which will have either the 3 or the 2-point plug. How do I take this off? You just have to lift it. So I don't know if the cable is detachable. But it is. Ooh. So again, here's a picture on what it looks like, or what you should have though. And then there's nothing in the box. This paper is, yeah, this is just basically where I purchased the thing. So, you know the little clutter what's going on there. So basically, I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then you guys will see from a closer angle on what it looks like. Okay, so I brought the camera a little bit lower so it's a little bit easier to show you guys what it looks like. But I'll just flip over. And that's how it looks. I'm gonna give you a close-up angle of it. Never put stuff on top of here, because this is where the heat and the stuff, the heat of the air fryer goes into the air, should I say. But again, as you can see, just the usual one, touch screen, and the back probably some stuff like vents. The back, you guys can see some more vents going on. This cable is not detachable, because some people probably think, oh, you can just pull it out. You have to unscrew the thing, but I'll show you guys a video now of what it looks more close up, and from there you guys can tell how does it look, and then I'll maybe switch it on or maybe not switch it on. Maybe that's for the next one. Switch it on and do some stuff. But yeah, this is basically just the unboxing of the Philips air fryer. So I'll show you guys and then we'll see from there. Okay guys, so as you can see, Thomas is already on the thing. So let's put Thomas over here. So there's 2 tags over here. Tape which is on this side. So you guys saw how it looks down the Philips air fryer. Like that. There's tape on this side. So there's tape on both sides. You can see it's quite big, the inner, so you can, I think you can just out and you can take the lid out. Still figure how that works, but I think this is basically to lock it. But again, basically just like that, and yeah, so it's quite big. So I'm not sure if you can take this out though. Basically, you put and you place this button up here, and you can open. Okay, which see the underpart, and you can just place that back in again somehow. So here's this spot, and then there's this spot. Now what I have to do is take the paper out, take the box thing out. It's probably for the airflow. And I'm gonna place this back in. Many hours later, and then it clips back in place. So basically that you have to put there, and then it clips into place, then it's locked in place, and you basically lift it up again somehow. So press this button to release. So you press this button to release, and it clips back in, locked in place. So I'll show you guys like another close-up of this, and then you guys can see. I was just like struggling for a little bit. I was like thinking, how do you put this back into this shiny thing? And yeah, there's also another item what I have to show you guys. So then this doesn't get damaged when you're making your various items. And many people do that mistake, but also it's also not something new, but it's also something old. Where people have like some sort of paper, which I'll show you guys in it, what they put into this tray or space where you put your stuff in, your food stuff, and then basically instead of you cleaning this every time, it's just like some grease proof paper, which helps when you're making items and so on. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and one what I have, and I'm gonna make another video where I show you guys how I use it, and have a little bit more an advantage of, like, not advantage but also more info on how to use this Philips air fryer and how many things you can make in it maybe. But for those people would want to know the size, I will get something what you guys can see what's the size of this inside today. Okay guys, so the air fryer is now on, and I don't know if you guys can hear. So the air fryer is on. I am busy making something like chips, as you guys will see in the next part of the video, or I'll just add it in where I'm basically just making chips. So if you do want to actually just pause it, so I just press it to pause. It is busy, and when you want to just continue it, you can just press it again and it will continue. There will be a little bit of steam that will come up from that point, but that's how it is. But it does take a little bit of time. But again, this is the loudness what you guys will expect it to be. Okay, so this is basically just as loud as it will get. It will probably get a bit louder, but I'm not sure if it will get so loud, because as you guys know, I have this now for, you can say, 3 days. But when you guys see this video, it will probably be like longer than 3 days that I've been using it. So back to the other part of the video. Okay guys, so this is me testing out the Philips air fryer. I forgot what's the number, but it will probably be added in this video. So right now it's like on standby mode. If you can see the standby mode, you see that orange light. So I'm just gonna make like some samosas. As you guys can see there, this is frozen. It's not like some special type of samosas or homemade one. I don't know how to do it. I'm not professionally, I forgot how do you say, but I'm not someone who does those kind of things. So I bought some frozen ones, frozen samosas. There, as you guys can see, 1 egg and something to put the hot tray, because you want to take this out, you need to place it somewhere where it can be cooled down for a little bit while I'm basically turning the samosas. But you can do many things. You can do like trips. There's actually a recipe book what Philips give, and you need to scan the code. It's on the box. I forgot to tell you guys about it, but it's on the box, and you guys can do it like that. So I'm gonna make that, and it's kind of difficult doing this with one hand, keeping the phone and doing it. So you guys will see I'm gonna just put one scramble 1 egg, or whisk 1 egg, and that will be like just the glazing on the samosas. And then I'm gonna put the samosas basically in the tray. So just gonna make sure that it's on. So basically when you touch this, it goes on, and then you use this 3 button to navigate on which one. I'm gonna use the pie feature. Like I said, I done the steak one for the preheat setting before I actually started to use it. So that is just the first time when you get it from the shops and you done the double clean thing. That's what I done, and I didn't get like a air frying taste what like some people said they got. And yeah, you guys saw the different presets what there is. You can choose any one of those ones when you basically making such things, because time wise and how long you're willing to wait for something. Also check your items, because sometimes you can take your stuff sooner out and then it's not entirely that time what they give. It's just a maybe setting, like it will probably take like 25 minutes instead of 30 seconds, or vice versa. And yeah, so I'm gonna beat we'll beat the one egg and whisk the one egg, should I say, and then place the samosas, place all the samosas in the tray, and then I'll switch it on. So as you can see, I've done the whisking of the egg, and then I'm gonna put the samosas, which is in here. I'll put some in there, place it, and I'm not still gonna use a brush. I'm just gonna put it in there, and then you guys will see the samosas in the air fryer, and Thomas will be very happy about that. And yeah, okay guys, so as you guys can see, the egg has been used, some of the samosa has been used, and that's how it looks when it's raw actually. And then I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. So I put the air fryer, the tray in the air fryer. I'm just gonna switch it on, as you guys can see there, and then I'm gonna use these 3 lines just to get the preset. I'm gonna go to the pie one. As you can see, the pie one is blinking. The temperature is on this side and the timer is on this side. So the temperature is on 160 and the timer is on 45. So when you want to start it, so you can actually now hear what it sounds like when it's not on a stable, should I say stable setting or stable base, because it's just like on some plank thing, but it won't sound this loud when you're in the kitchen though. So it's gonna take some time. You guys can hear how it sounds. As you know that there is vents at the back of the Philips air fryer, so you guys will see that in the video what I showed. And he's basically busy. Thomas seems very happy that air fryer is on. But yeah, I'll just let you hear how it sounds. Let's hear the back. So this section here is the vent, and the hot air is blowing out from this side. And this is like far away from the thing, so you guys can hear what it sounds like. So I'm not gonna let the video be this long, this section of the video, but I'll show you guys when it's actually done, or when I see the first take. So I'm also checking that it was on 44 now, so maybe when it's on 34, then I'll check and open the tray and see if I have to turn the samosas. I know there's gonna be some people who's gonna be like, you could have done it this way or that way, but I'm doing it like this because this is the shortcut way, and I'm holding the phone to show you guys. So yeah. So as you guys can see, it's actually counting quite fast, and it's going quite quick though. Remember, the samosas is also a small one, so it's not the massive big ones. I think you can do also spinning rolls, and it's like our cookbook what you can do with this air fryer, which they tell you to scan on the side of the box what you get. Also make sure that you close the tray properly, and when you do want to check on something, you just tap the pause button, and then you can check. So it's now on 42 now. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, it's now on 38 and counting. And it's going quite quick though. From 48 to 38. Still busy. Once it reaches 36 on the timer, then I'm going to check it, and I'm going to show you guys. Sometimes there will be like some steam what will come up there. You don't need to worry about it. It will evaporate. You don't need to use a cloth to wipe it. It will disappear. Only when you're done, then you let the thing cool down by itself, and then you can do the wiping and so on, because this whole unit gets quite hot, and you don't want to like damage it with like a cloth or wiping it too much. But yeah, I'm gonna wait until it's almost done. From the smell of it, it smells like it's almost done, but I'm just giving that 35 seconds, a minute should I say, and then I'm gonna check on it. So as you guys can see, this is kind of like real-time testing to show you guys. So if it comes out burnt, you guys will know. If it comes out a golden looking color, you guys will also know. There we go. So I'm gonna pause it. So I'm gonna let it do a little wait a bit, and then I'm gonna see. I'm just gonna have to open it with both hands though. So as you guys can see, it's changing color. Let me just show you the color, how it looks. I need to turn it around, and you can see it's still on 35. I need to turn it around, but it's difficult doing it with one hand. So yeah. So I turned it all around. As you guys can see, it doesn't look the same like before. And so I'm just gonna place it back in, and then I'm gonna lock it in place. And then just gonna continue again. And just like that, that's how it's been made. So I'm just gonna wait until that's like maybe 30 maybe, just so it's not burnt. Or maybe I'll wait until it's like 20 something, and then see from there. It's just best to check on your stuff instead of just like set it and then forget about it, or set it and then move on, do whatever you're supposed to do in the day. But I would highly recommend check on your stuff, because it can burn your items, especially like when there's like little things what's in the tray. It can burn and can get quite toasty in the inside of the air fryer. So check on it. You can still do whatever you want to do, but check on it and then see from there. Yeah. And what I also wanted to say is that the samosas was frozen, so it's from frozen into the egg, and then into the air fryer. So if you're wondering, was the samosas left out for a little bit? It wasn't left out for a little bit. It was straight from the. And then yeah, you guys will get like a picture also of the different things what I've been trying with the air fryer, with the air fryer paper and all those items you will see there. There will be also the time and the picture on what the different settings there is of the air fryer, so you guys will see that. And yeah, so I'm gonna check on the samosas and then see from there. But yeah, that's the picture of all the different things, and I'll just put like a picture on like what it looks like, so you guys can see, because the video is quite long, so you guys will see that. So yeah, back to the other part of the video, and yeah, it is still running, so you guys will know that it is still running, as you guys can hear that. But yeah. Okay, as you guys can see now, it's looking more golden brown. And yeah, let's give a look. So there will be like egg pieces at the bottom, but yeah, it's getting there. I have to just leave it for a tiny bit longer, and then it's basically ready to be eaten. Remember guys, to keep the air vents clear for cold air and hot air to escape from the air fryer. Don't place it too close to the wall or too close to other electronics, because it's giving off a lot of heat and it's trying to suck in as much cold air as possible. So like as you guys can see, it's just on some white plank, and you guys will see it in many of my videos what I've been busy with. But yeah, so it's now on 30, so I'm just gonna wait until it's 20 something and then I'll see from there. But I think it's done. From the looks of it, it's done. I'm gonna take it out and then I'm gonna start eat, and yeah, back to the other part of the video. Okay guys, so I actually found the thing, and it's called Airfryer paper liners. Airfryer paper liners. So this is just one brand. There's a few others what you can find, and I didn't know that they have this. So this actually protects that the bowl or the dish inside of the air fryer, and as you can see, this one. But I don't know if it's gonna fit. I'll test and see if it will fit. but I'm sure that this one will fit for most air fryers because they say they ideal for 3 to 6 liters. So this is a 6.1, a 6.2. One should be fine. And yeah. So you can have your chips and your donuts and your I don't think donuts. I'm not sure what this is, but yeah, not sure what that is, but yeah. So this will be ideal, and it's plastic free and all those bleach free and so on. Like it's also good to look out for this pointers when you look for this air fry paper liners. But yeah. So yeah, so this is the item. And to find out the size of the thing, so you guys actually saw around it. Size of the whole entire dish thing. If you're locally and you know what the size of kg, awesome. In South Africa, it goes in. So no. But other than that, I think this air fryer should be good. I'm not gonna switch it on. That will be for another video because there's certain steps what you have to do in order before you start your air fryer. Like some people say you have to blast it for like 1 or 2 hours before using it because you need to burn whatever residue is there, because as you guys could see in the previous video or the previous part of the video, there's a lot of fluff and residue stuff which basically in the packaging, so that you'll find inside here. And you don't need to, I don't think you have to do that every time when you decide to use it. I think you have to do that just once, but best to read the instruction manual on that instruction manual, just so that you know exactly like how to use this as Philips recommends you to use it. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Thanks again for watching, subscribing, liking, and hitting the bell button. It really means a lot to me, and if you guys do want to go above and beyond, and donate towards the channel, there is a PayPal link which says buy me a coffee or a game, and yeah, that's to buy good products again like this and many others to come to the channel. And for people that actually want to know a little bit more about it, I will make maybe a second video of where I'm making something more simple inside here, so you guys can see how long it takes to make maybe a small thing. I'm not sure exactly if it will be chips or if it will be samosas or something. I don't know. It will just be something. But I will do the air blasting thing, what's to clean the thing for the first use. So I don't get that plastic taste, what some air fryers do. If you don't do that, the blast where you have to put it on, and then you guys will also see what the touch screen look like. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this one. Don't let anyone bring you down. Always try and stay positive. Again, thank you for subscribing, liking, our button. And yeah, again, thanks again. Hopefully you guys enjoy the unboxing of the Philips Airfryer. As we'll see the name what will be. Um yeah, thanks again and stay safe out there. If you guys don't mind, hit that bell button, subscribe, like, and let me know in the comments if you maybe bought you this one and you're now using it, and what did you make inside this which you enjoyed and which you would me to try out, many other people to try out. And how long did it take? Did it take very quick or good? I will say how loud this thing is, or I will tell you how loud it is compared to others. But I heard some good news, so loud. So I'm taking the shop's advice, and yeah. Again, thanks for subscribing, liking, and bell button. It means a lot to me. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys. Yes.